Welcome, Jettison Travel to Tokyo Disneyland. We will capture the happy entry and how to get to the happy entry at Tokyo Disneyland as well. But most important,
who invented this thing?
We are going to check out Tokyo Disneyland, like rides and shows as well. Come along, Jettison Travel. Let's check this place out, shall we? We go check out Winnie the Pooh. Check out Halloween Special, Haunted House. Also check out Beauty and the Beast Castle. And Splash Mountain. Check out Jungle River. And also Star Wars. And shows. Good day, Jettison Travel Crew. Please like and subscribe to our channel to our Tokyo Disney adventure. Taking a trip from Hawaii all the way to Tokyo, Japan. And drive there as well. And we got our happy entry tickets and we're ready to go. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, we're here. From the hotel bus stop drop, along the way you'll find some tour guides to help you to the happy entrance line. As you can see, it can be pandemonium and chaos. Looking for it. Tour guide. Alright, come along, Jettison Travel Crew. Entrance is between Tokyo Disney Hotel and the train station. Prior to entrance, you will conduct a security check. I repeat, a security check. Yes, this is a happy entry. Also gives you time some event to check in at happy entrance at around 8:30 a.m. Once you pass the security point, another tour guide will check your tickets and voila! We're at the happy entry point. Good day, Jettison Travel Crew. We're here at the happy entry point. So we got our tickets earlier. It kind of looked like this right here. Nope, I don't have it. So happy entry point is right over there. So you have to make your way to the line and come up to the front, and then they'll bring you in past security, and you end up over here. Whoo-wee, that's a lot of people. And here's the happy entry point again, and a lot of people. Just look at that, Jettison Travel Crew. So it's worth it to get the happy entry point. Now don't forget your pocket Wi-Fi and battery charger, and download the app. Alright, good luck. Now on your Disney app, get ready to purchase a ticket once you step on their property. Now watch my wife. We are securing our Beauty and the Beast ride, loading, and confirm right on the property. That's right, Disney property at Tokyo Disneyland. Alright, first stop, take a picture at the castle. Now even we got in early before the massive crowd, we still have to walk our way to the castle. And yet, this is still a lot of people for a happy entry. Everyone's making mad rush to Beauty and the Beast. Alright, Jettison Travel Crew, we're here at the Japan Disney Tokyo. So, right now we're taking this advantage of this early entry. Look how just massive that is. And magical, and no people in sight to interfere your picture. Hi guys. I spoke too soon. Oh damn. Alright, come along, Jettison Travel Crew. Let's hit this place. Let's go. 9 o'clock, yeah. Okay. Mickey Hunt. Mickey. Sit down. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're here at Disneyland. Small world behind us, but we're heading to Beauty and the Beast Castle. I know that a whole bunch of people is heading there, but we kind of did it a smart way where we just pay the premiere and then lock it in for 9 o'clock. So we just do the fast pass. That was faster. And then lock in for the Halloween because the haunted house, because the Halloween special is going on. And I heard the Small World has the Marvel. So maybe we could check that out, possible. But anyway, signing off. We're doing Winnie the Pooh. We decided to do Winnie the Pooh first because it was open and available and free. We didn't do a fast pass or whatsoever. So, like I said, it's free and we make the best of it. So this is one of the perks of having the happy entry into the park, where that way you can just breeze through the line and save your fast pass for important rides such as Winnie the Pooh. Alright, Jesse Chaku, we are going to see Winnie the Pooh. Now this is just a short version that I'm going to show, and you can see the rest on our POV. In Beauty and the Beast. Look, girls. Look, Bella and Mia. So this is the Gaston place you want to eat, hon. Right here. We can eat afterwards. Now, after Winnie the Pooh, the line for Beauty and the Beast is ridiculously long. So, I mean long. So that's why it's important to get the fast pass on this one. Yep, I told you so. Here's the castle on the map, so download the map. It helps. Yeah, access entrance. Come on, girls. That's a lot of line. So definitely get the app. It doesn't help to get the fast pass. All right, let's go. All right. Okay, so we're running the Beauty and the Beast right now. So come follow us, Citizen Travel Crew. We just took the fast pass and speed up this moment for us because we just avoided a major line. Speaking of line. Alright, Jason Travel Crew, that was a short version of the Beauty and the Beast. You can see our POV video for Beauty and the Beast on our next segment. But other than that, off to the next adventure. I believe we're heading to the haunted house and out of the Beauty and the Beast castle. Ooh, look at that. Bella and the Beast in human form, of course. Anyhow, let's go. Jason Travel Crew, here's a small world. Alright, we're here. Hey, come on, get close to Mom. We're here at the Halloween. So this is a Happy Halloween version of the haunted house. So this is Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas. So like I said before, this is a short POV video. I just made a POV video segment for the Happy Halloween. Go ahead and check it out. Other than that, thank you. Hey, Jason Travel Crew, right there is the haunted house. Just came out of that. Next up, Splash
There's
Mountain.
Grandma's kitchen. And there's Splash Mountain.
Again, check your map.
There's Splash Mountain, so incredible. This is Splash Mountain, folks. Alright. Splash Mountain entrance. Here.
Alright, Jetson Travel Crew, let's head in there to Splash Mountain. And don't worry about getting yourself wet because this is a POV video. Like I said before, this will be a short version of Splash Mountain video. Please check out our POV video on our next segment. Thank you.
Wow, look at that view! Woohoo! Oh, look at that line! Hi guys! Uh-oh! Oh boy! Woohoo! Yeah! Who got wet? I'm dry!
Next up, Jungle Cruise.
Alright, Jungle Cruise, 20 minutes. I'm going to wait in line. Oh, wow. Alright, almost there, Jetson Travel Cruise.
I say again, we have another POV Jungle Cruise on the next segment. Please go to the description to access the segment.
Alright, Jetson Travel Cruise, that's over for our Jungle Cruise. Catch you later, Godspeed, and get them make some memories. Oh, look at that crowd.
I also forgot to mention, we have parades as well.
Alright, Jetson Travel Cruise, Star Wars, here we come.
Now the fun thing with Tokyo Disneyland in Japan, Star Wars is not as big as we thought and in America, so look alive folks.
For Star Tours, Flight 610, Star Speeder service to Kashyyyk. Flight 610 will now be departing from Gate 1D. This is Gate North Tokyo.
Now with this ride, you have a 3D glasses attached to your head so you can enjoy the experience. Come along.
Alright, Jetson Travel Crew, how you like my Baymax up there? Hang on, buddy, hang on, we're almost there. We'll be coming back later on tonight and show you the rise against the Reach for the Stars, I believe. Baymax, hold up there. So we're gonna pick up our pictures, but we're coming back to Disneyland, Tokyo Disneyland that is, and that's pretty much it. So, catch you guys later. See you guys tonight.
And a few hours later, during night. Again, this is a short version there is another video for the show. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, Chasing Travel Group.